What? My feet are red.
How do you feel?
I was thinking be like this all the time.
So you don't hurt?
No? Whoever says it's gonna hurt some bunch of pussies. I want my food.
We're getting your food.
It's maybe I eat there or something.
Do what?
I don't know, where's my phone?
Where's your phone?
Yeah.
Why do you need your phone?
Because. See how you snoop through?
I didn't snoop through anything. I didn't even open your phone.
Get in trouble?
Get in trouble? What would you get in trouble for?
Girls?
For what?
Girls?
For girls?
Yeah.
Why you get in trouble for girls?
I don't know, I'm always in trouble for girls.
You're always in trouble for girls?
Yeah. Hey.
What are you doing, dear?
I lost my phone.
Uh-oh. Where'd it go?
Went down to the abyss.
What?
Went to the abyss.
You went to the dentist?
No, I went down into the abyss.
In the abyss?
Yeah.
Oh. You need me to help you find it?
I see it. Hey, watch the road.
I am watching the road.
So, that's it. Just come with me, see? Catching it? Okay.